Hi, I'm Troy from Studio 33 Guitar Lessons. The video you're about to watch is an excerpt from one of our courses called the Kickstarter series. Kickstarter is a multi-level course designed for beginner all the way to intermediate and advanced. If you like this video, you can get the full course at our website, studio33guitarlessons.com. Also, make sure you click the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching. On the piano, if you move from one note to the next note, either to the right or to the left, you're moving one semitone. That's a distance that we measure. It's called a semitone. The guitar neck is laid out the same way. Every time we move from one fret to the next fret, that's a semitone. To help you visualize that a little bit better, imagine the piano keyboard with all the black keys pushed down to the same level as the white keys. Once those black keys are on the same level, you can see how whether you move right or left, you would be moving one semitone. Now the guitar neck doesn't have black keys or white keys, but it's laid out the same way. If you were to imagine your guitar laying flat on your lap in front of you, it would be oriented the same way as the keyboard would be. Every time you move to the right, you would be going higher in pitch. When you move to the left, you would be going lower in pitch. If we think back to our string names and the poem that we came up with, Eddie ate dynamite, goodbye Eddie, think about this first string, that's called an E string. So when we play this note, that is an E note. So let's find that note on the piano. So that note on the piano, you can see that the next note beside it is an F note. So on the guitar, the very next note on the guitar is an F. Now if we look at the next note on the piano, it's a black key and it's an F sharp or a G flat. Now on the guitar, it's not black or white, but it's the same note. So we're moving up to the next fret on the guitar, and that is an F sharp. As we move to the next fret, it would be the next note on the piano, which would be a G. And then we repeat that again for the next fret. We will go up to G sharp or A flat. And that process continues all the way up the neck. So that same process would happen for all the strings. So the next string down is an A string. So when we play this note, it's an A note. If we move to the very first fret, that's going to be an A sharp. And if you look at the piano diagram, that next note would be a black key, A sharp. And again, that would continue all the way up the neck. You would have B, and then now remember there's no B sharp, so it would be C, and then C sharp, D, etc. As you can see, each string on the guitar is actually like its own keyboard, laid out the same way. Here's a diagram that shows all the notes on the guitar, color-coded for each string.